Welcome back, everyone, and thanks for tuning into another video from the Unknown Stock Picker. First, I just want to say congratulations to everyone who tuned into our first video and trailed our pick, CHFS. We've had a pretty strong 2 weeks with chefs being up just about over 50 cents, and it really hasn't even gotten too much volume. So remember, CHFS only has 2.5 million shares outstanding, so as soon as this thing catches a little bit of volume, it's going to fly. Now, it's not too late to enter into the pick, chefs, just because the big move is yet to come, and it's going to come very soon. So if you'd like to check out that video, head to my channel to get the full story on chefs and why it's going to be a big winner, and I'll put that link to the video in the description below. Now, my goal is to get these videos down to about 5 minutes for you guys. Some of the feedback I got in the first video was it being a little too long and a little bit too in-depth, and that's totally cool. I'm going to shorten these videos up a bit so we can get these picks to you more concisely and in a smaller amount of time. Now, at the Unknown Stock Picker, we always tell you the key to beating Wall Street is making minimal mistakes, which we intend to do for you when you trail our picks. Our only disclaimer before we begin is we request that you do your own research on our picks before investing. Now, let's jump into it. Our pick for the first week of December 2020 is a company called Checkpoint Therapeutics, ticker symbol CKPT. Currently sitting at $2.65 a share with a market cap of approximately $150 million with $42 million cash on hand as of September. Checkpoint Therapeutics, a company founded by Fortress Biotech, is a clinical stage immuno-oncology biopharmaceutical company focused on the acquisition, development, and commercialization of novel treatments for patients with solid tumor cancers. Now, if you know anything about cancer treatments, the standard treatment is chemotherapy, which targets all of the patient's cells and kills the entire body in hopes of killing the cancer along with it. The new form of treating cancer is what's called a checkpoint inhibitor, which targets the cancer at the source of the tumor as opposed to attacking the entire body. So, the top drug on the market for checkpoint inhibitors right now is a drug by Merck called Keytruda, which the market currently believes is worth approximately $45 billion, according to most analysts. Here's the reason why Checkpoint is absolutely going to explode. Take a look at this chart. Checkpoint's drug, Cosibelimab, is beating its two competitors, Keytruda and Libtayo, in objective response rates and complete response rates. Now, Checkpoint is only halfway through their trial, with the rest of the data expected mid-year of 2021, but as long as this data holds firm, the company with the fast follower approach strategy will be able to apply for FDA approval. Now, I can't emphasize this enough. According to the data, Checkpoint's Cosibelimab has a much better safety profile than Keytruda. All checkpoint inhibitors are combination therapies, which means they're used with other drugs, and this increases the side effects. So the least amount of side effects with checkpoint inhibitors always wins. On top of that, Keytruda charges $165,000 a year for one single patient and the treatment. Checkpoint Therapeutic plans on charging 50% less for Cosibelimab, which will be very, very well received by the payers for the treatment and allow Checkpoint to capture their share of that market very quickly. Because of this price difference and the threat it poses to Keytruda, we believe at the Unknown Stock Picker, this company could be a prime takeover market in the coming months as much more data continues to be released. As you know, if you follow us at the Unknown Stock Picker, we are very big on charts and technicals. So let's go ahead and pull up this chart for Checkpoint Therapeutics. So if you look at this chart, you see it just broke above that $2.50 resistance line last week. And it should be an easy shot to $3.50, where it will see a little bit more resistance. But for our long-term investors, keep in mind, if the market thinks Keytruda is worth $45 billion and Checkpoint Therapeutics has a market cap of only $150 million, well, you do the math. If Cosibelimab captures even a fraction of Keytruda's market, the numbers are extremely favorable for investors in Checkpoint. Also, Checkpoint is still seeking FDA approval, and it is considered a highly speculative stock. So at the Unknown Stock Picker, we recommend that you don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Just want to say Thank you for checking out this video. Please like and comment on the video below. Share it with friends, family. Tell me what you think. And hit that subscribe button at the bottom corner. Thank you once again, and we will see you very shortly on the next video.